G'day everyone, I'm Callum and this is AVDC. We've made a few changes to our shop and workshop over the last year in 2017 and I'd love to show it off to you. First of all, we're in the showroom here. This is where we chat to customers and of course we've got a heap of parts and products on display. A lot of our popular items like dash cams, Bluetooth and accessories to go with them are all on display in here so that we can talk you through each product and how it works in your car. Going from there, we have our listening room. And in here, we've got a lot of fantastic sound system equipment and parts on display and on demonstration. It's a perfect place to sit down with a cup of coffee and the iPad. You can listen to music of your choosing and listen to it through some of our fantastic speaker systems on demo. But the place we've made the most changes lately is in the workshop, so let's take you through there now. So, our workshop is something that we're really proud of. We've got space to work on two cars comfortably. We've got all of the tools, software and computer hardware required to make the most of working on late model cars and particularly European cars. And while we love this space and we're proud of it, the biggest changes are actually over here. This year, we've actually undertaken a major project to build a new fabrication room and electronics room. And what that allows us to do is better quality work, more safely and more cleanly. So the end result is better work on your car. We've got an electronics room here for working on soldering, wiring harnesses, electronic measurement and diagnosis. But the room that I'm most proud of is the fabrication room. This room is set up especially for timber fabrication. And it's what allows us to make everything from a basic set of speaker mounts for a stealth installation, right through to high-end, show-stopping showcase installations. We've got all of the tools and equipment needed to work on timber, especially with advanced techniques, with things like our mobile solutions training. And we've also got a neat, organised workspace with dust extraction, which is really important for safety when we're working on timber all the time. Most importantly, the room allows us to do our work cleanly, so we're not getting dust on customer cars, and it means that the end product is even better. That gives you an idea of the tools and facilities we've built here at AVDC, so that we can do the best work possible to your car. So, come and see us here in the new year in 2018 at AVDC.